Each and every person is different. I mean, and like I'm a smaller, structured guy, shorter guy. I don't know if you want to say that's a benefit, but because sometimes you wind up in places that's awful greasy and awful dirty, but because you can fit there. My name is Ralph Grass, and I've been with Kirby-Smith Machinery for 32 years, and I'm a service tech in the crane division. One of the most common problems that I come across with customers is moisture in their LMI systems, their connections, and to the modules and different parts of the LMI system. And the moisture will cause corrosion, then you lose contact. But the best thing that they can do is try to keep them clean, put a little dielectric grease on them to seal them. We do a lot of preventive maintenance on our machines for our customers, doing routine inspections and being able to just run the crane and make sure everything functions properly, and try to talk to the customers when they come in and make sure they understand what is supposed to happen. And the most important thing is common sense. Pay attention, stay focused, and use common sense. That will help more than anything. My name is Ralph Grass, and we are one Kirby-Smith.